Pros and cons of DIY phone repairs versus taking it to a professional repair service in Sydney CBD. In this modern age of technology, mobile phones are now an integral part of our everyday lives. With the amount of time we spend on them, it is only natural that at some point, our phones may need to be repaired. When faced with a phone repair issue, many people have to decide whether to opt for a DIY repair or take it to a professional service in Sydney CBD. While both options have their advantages and disadvantages, it's important to weigh up each one before making your decision. One of the pros of DIY phone repairs is cost savings. Repairing your own phone can be much cheaper than taking it to a professional service in Sydney CBD due to the fact that you don't have to pay for labour or parts. This can be particularly beneficial if you're tight on money or don't want to invest too much into the repair. Additionally, you may not need any special tools in order to complete the repair yourself, so this could also help with cost savings as well. On the other hand, one major downside of DIY repairs is that they can often be unreliable and difficult, especially if you're not experienced when it comes to dealing with phone issues. Without proper knowledge and equipment, you could end up making more problems than fixing them, which will inevitably cost more money and time in the long run. Additionally, certain repairs may require specialized tools which can be hard or expensive for you to acquire as an individual consumer, so this would also add difficulty and expense into completing the repair yourself rather than taking it into a professional service in Sydney CBD who already has all tea. Taking your device into a professional service in Sydney CBD has its own set of advantages and disadvantages as well, but overall this option tends to be more reliable than attempting DIY repairs yourself due to their experience and resources available at their disposal, such as specialist tools and team. Furthermore, most professionals offer warranties on their work, so if something goes wrong during or after the process, they are obliged by law, depending on location, to fix any issues free of charge within a certain time frame, which provides consumers with some peace of mind knowing that their device. Overall, deciding between opting for DIY phone repairs versus taking it into a professional service in Sydney CBD ultimately comes down to personal preference, but before making your decision there are several factors that should be considered first, such as cost savings versus reliability or warranty. Doing some research ahead, such as reading customer reviews online about different services or technicians, etc. Based on real-world experiences from people who have gone through similar situations before, so hopefully this article has been helpful when considering what option would suit your needs best when looking at repairing your mobile device.